Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record slow motion videos on the Honor 600 Pro. So if you want to record slow motion videos where it just slows down the video with good quality, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we need to open up the camera app and then select the slow motion mode. You can find it in the More tab if you scroll to the right, and then selecting slow-mo. So here we have it enabled, and we have a few different things that we can change. So for example, if we hit this icon right here, it changes the zoom of the video. This icon on the bottom changes the speed of the video. So for example, 8 times slower or 4 times slower. And then on the top we have the quality of the video and the frames per second. So this recording mode supports only 1080p pretty much, but you can change it to faster or slower. And once you've selected the options that you want, just hit record your video. You can even enable noise reduction to disable background noise. And then once the video is done, you can stop it and check out the video. So as you can see, the video has gotten slowed down, and we can edit, for example, when slow-mo starts and ends. So if we click on the icon on the left, I'm sorry, that's the wrong icon. So if you click on the 3 dots and then select open in a video player, it's going to open up the video in the video player. And here you can change, for example, the speed of the video to be 0.25, 10, 20, and things like that. And that is pretty much it for this video. Except you also have this option right here on the top right, where you can adjust when the slow-mo starts and ends in the video. So, for example, if you drag this little slider to the left, this is where it's going to start. So, or if you scroll to the right, that's also where it's going to start. So for example, the video plays normally, so at normal speed, and then it slows down. And here we can change it where it ends. So if we skip it to here, this is where the slow-mo is going to end and go back to normal speed. And then we can hit the check mark on the top right to save our changes. And that is it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.